What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of B&B Fishing. Today we're going to be working on my bass boat again, as you saw in last video. And today we are actually going to be taking the hatches off and possibly sanding them down, or just really grinding the rest of that glue off there. So that's going to be a pretty cool thing we're going to do, and we might make some new running boards for it. But basically that's all we're going to be doing today. I ordered some new sea deck already, and the new seats, and new lights for it, and new gas struts for the hatches. So it's going to be a good one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stick with us, stay tuned, and enjoy. Alright guys, so basically what we're going to be doing, we're going to be taking all these screws out right here and right there. And we're going to be taking this hatch off and setting them over there. And we're going to start sanding them. We're going to do that for that hatch. Well, maybe not all the hatches. I don't know for sure. Hopefully all the hatches. Possibly that one, those two. So, oh, there's the dogs. But this is probably going to be a good one, guys. So stick with us. I'm going to put y'all on the tripod and put y'all on a time lapse. Alright guys, so what we're doing here, we're actually taking this aluminum cleaner and putting on the aluminum lids, and then we're just going to scrub them down and rinse them off. And this aluminum cleaner really brings the life back into them. Like as you can see over there, well, the glare of the sun is kind of bad, but that one is really clean. I'll show you that in a second when I take out the tripod. But let's go ahead and start scrubbing this one down. So we're just going to douse some of this aluminum cleaner on there. Everywhere, really. And then we're going to take a brush and start scrubbing. Here we go. This stuff really eats that dirt and grime away on aluminum lids and stuff, or really anything aluminum. Turn our water on. Rinse her off. As you can see there, I'm going to scrub it a few more times, but look at that. And that thing already looks a whole lot better. Go. And look at there, guys. We got us a clean lid. Alright guys, so as you can tell right here, these lids look a whole lot better. I gotta let them dry, and then I'm gonna sand the other side, and then we're gonna wash them with aluminum cleaner too. Alright guys, now that we got them washed, we're gonna go ahead and start sanding them down. For this one, we're not gonna be able to get all that glue off. We're just not gonna be able to. But it'll be fine. Whenever we stick down the sea deck, it'll stick to it good. But I just want to sand them down and like rough up the edges and everything a little bit, just to give it a good surface. Alright, quick commercial break here, guys. I made these baits a while ago, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. We got us a new mold, and these are gonna be sold on the website. Just give y'all a little first glance at them. Some stick baits. That's all I'm gonna show you guys. I don't want you guys getting too excited about them. Can't be showing you every bait that's coming out, but made a while ago. We made just 1, 2, and 3 sets. So yeah, let's get back to the boat. Over there, I cut the running boards for the side of the trailer. We're gonna coat them in polyurethane, which is basically gonna waterproof them and basically make them last longer so they don't rot as fast. So I like to do this all the wood I use on my boats, and it really just helps in the long run, and it also makes them stronger, so it helps. And this stuff ain't really that expensive, but you know, we're gonna be using it today, and I need a stick. Alright, we got our brush right here. We're just gonna dip it in there, start brushing this wood down.
All the way from Hicks Holler to Core, Georgia, ladies and gentlemen, D-Girl. Born on the South Plain, South Georgia boy, tornado like a 9 train, try to make some noise. I'm on Curry Mountain, yeah, up in them hills. What an awesome feeling, trying to do His will. They don't know just why we do the things that we do. When they say how long, I tell them it's nothing new. They don't know this life, surviving is what we do. When I see their eyes, I feel like it's deja vu, yeah. Little backwoods party, let's have some fun. Little country party, to the woods we run. Little backyard party, go light the fire. Little backwoods party,
Alright, now we're gonna let those dry, and I'll update you when they're dry. They might be dry tomorrow, so I don't know.
we love our Jesus, and we love our guns, and we know how to work hard till the day is done. We don't care what color you are, 'cause we all got children, and we shine like stars. They don't know just why we do the things that we do.
Alright guys, I stripped most of the the carpet off the bow of the boat up here. And as you can see, there's not really much more left over there to get. There's still a little bit more to get, but you know, I'm just gonna have to do that another day because it's about to be dark. And I sprayed it off with the pressure washer. Here's all the excess carpet that's down there, but the project's going good. You guys see me sand these off some today, and these running boards right here are still drying. So yeah, we're getting stuff. We got a little bit of stuff done today, so I think that's gonna end today's episode. And next episode, we're probably either gonna be putting in the new floor, putting in the new lights, or putting in a brand new Lowrance depth finder I got coming. actually gonna have two, one right there and one up there, so it's gonna be awesome. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot, guys, and I hope you're following along with this boat build. It's going pretty good. So this is episode 2 closing out, so please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. B&B Fishing out.